Have you ever heard of a cloudburst? It's a weather phenomenon that can unleash an incredible amount of rain in a very short time. Imagine a sky that suddenly opens up, pouring down more than 100 millimeters of rain in just 1 hour. That's what we call a cloudburst. But how does this happen? Picture this. Warm, moist air from monsoon winds travels towards tall mountains. As it reaches these natural barriers, it's forced upwards. This rapid ascent causes the air to cool quickly, forming dense clouds. These clouds become so heavy with moisture that they can't hold it anymore, resulting in a sudden, intense downpour. Climate change is making cloudbursts more common and more severe. As our planet warms, the atmosphere can hold more moisture. This extra moisture fuels these extreme rainfall events, making them more frequent and intense than ever before. Recently, we've seen the devastating impact of cloudbursts in action. In Pakistan's northwest region, a powerful cloudburst triggered flash floods, causing widespread destruction. Similarly, in the Indian Himalayas, another cloudburst event led to deadly landslides and flooding, catching many by surprise. Despite their significant impact, predicting cloudbursts remains a major challenge for meteorologists. These events often occur in small areas and develop rapidly, making them difficult to forecast with current technology. This unpredictability highlights the urgent need for stronger early warning systems and improved forecasting methods. To better prepare for cloudbursts, scientists are working on advanced weather models and monitoring systems. These tools aim to detect the conditions that lead to cloudbursts more accurately, potentially saving lives by providing timely warnings to vulnerable communities. As we face the reality of a changing climate, understanding and preparing for extreme weather events like cloudbursts becomes increasingly important. By improving our knowledge and response strategies, we can better protect ourselves and our communities from these sudden, intense rainfall events. Remember, while cloudbursts may seem like a rare occurrence, they're becoming more common in certain regions. Staying informed about local weather patterns and heeding warnings from meteorological agencies can make a big difference in staying safe during extreme weather events.